Welcome to the Ohsnap tutorial video. In this video, we'll show you 4 simple steps to install and use your Ohsnap grip. It's important to note that wireless charging will only work if the Ohsnap grip is centered on your phone, both vertically and horizontally. So make sure that anything that you apply to your phone, you apply to the very center. For example, the Apple logo works as a great center point for iPhones. Step number 1, open the packaging. Instructions, a clear sticker for glass phones, and the Ohsnap grip itself are included inside. We recommend cleaning the back of your phone or your case using rubbing alcohol or even a wet paper towel. Step number 2, if you're applying the grip directly to the back of a glass phone, use this clear sticker to make sure it sticks perfectly. If you're using a case or if the back of your phone isn't glass, you don't need to use this clear sticker and you can skip to step number 3. Peel the sticker apart and apply it to the center of your phone. Firmly massage the clear sticker, then use your nail or a plastic card to press the edges down. Go over the edges multiple times, then let it cure overnight before going to the next step. We realize that it's hard to wait overnight, but glass phones have a special coating that makes adhesion super difficult, so the curing process is absolutely necessary. Step number 3. Separate the Ohsnap grip from the steel ring, which are magnetically attached to each other. Then, remove the protective paper from the steel ring and apply it on the top of the clear sticker if you used one, or directly on the center of your phone or your case if you didn't. Step number 4. Place your Ohsnap grip onto the steel ring, move it around until you feel it lock in, and now you're good to go. And if you ever need to remove the grip itself, just push up from the bottom and use a nail to peel up the other side. If you need to remove the steel ring from your phone entirely, we recommend using tweezers to get under the edge of the ring and push up. Thanks so much for watching and enjoy your Ohsnap.